Welcome back to the channel. This one I got to speed because once again I'm in my car and my battery's about to die. But you see what's on the title. One of my viewers in the comments, he had asked for me to go over Chainlink, so that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so daily candle that's closed at 7, and what I'm seeing is if you go to the weekly first, let's go to the weekly and see what the higher time frame saying. Like, this is structure level. This is structure. Price has respected this level before. This is a nice level of structure that we have seen price respect. Okay. So what I'm seeing is price found support off the structure level and has been bouncing for the past 3 weeks. Last week we came back down, seems to be doing a retest. But if you're looking at this, to be honest, this could be a higher low, right? This could be a higher low, but just because it's higher than this, right? But actually, this could even be a lower. This could be a lower low, simply because this was a higher low here, and we just broke below this level, right? Now, to determine what actually occurs, we have to see how this week turn out. Price could easily come into here and just consolidate, to be honest, right? Then break below here or do something like this, right? We just have to wait and see, okay? But a way for us to get a better gist of what's happening is by going to the lower time frames, okay? So in the lower time frames, it seems like the daily is printing some bullish price action, in my opinion, okay? And why I say that is because we broke above resistance, aka the most previous lower high, and now we're putting it in a higher high, right? So what we need to wait on now on the daily is to confirm a higher low for price to find some sort of support, whether that's somewhere in here and so forth, right? So let's zoom in even more, okay? 12 hour don't show much different than the daily. Let's go in the 4 hour. So what I'm seeing on the 4 hour is we have this sort of formation right here. This whatever happens here can kind of control what really goes on. We break below here. If we break below here, watch for the probably price target maybe these lows around here, which is previous structure or previous resistance turn support. But as we can see, price has been playing up in the zone. Price could like literally just consolidate. Price can do whatever it wants. Price is king, right? But if you're looking to buy, what I would do, since price is kind of playing around, depending on what type of trader you are, right? If you're like looking to invest, as in hodl gang, then you could probably like start dollar cost averaging in. A nice area to probably put your first entry would be like around support, which is like around here, and then as it go lower and lower and lower, keep dollar cost averaging in. Okay, but as we see here, we have this trend line right here, right? So price could also do something where it comes into this zone right here and then bounce. And then this area, this will also create confluence with trend line support, okay? But that would be like a lot of sideways movement. And by that happening, price will probably have to be constricted in this area, which is a good sign for breakout movement, right? But you see, I just drew my handy dandy counter trend line, but I mainly use it as bearish pressure gauge. And this one I have here is also one of those on the 1 hour. This would be like a bullish. This trend line, this counter trend line here would be, I put that there to gauge the bullish pressure on the chart, okay? Because as we can see, on the 30-minute, we are in a slight bullish trend overall. I can't even say that. Because look right here. This is downtrend type type of price action, right? This is high, lower high, lower high, lower high, equal high, right? Yes, we are putting in higher lows, but the most important feature in a downtrend is consecutive lower highs, okay? Don't get me wrong, price is displaying some bullish tendencies, but a safe trade would be for price to break above this bearish trend line, while also breaking above this recent lower high, okay? Which shows that price is now breaking bearish structure and could possibly start to print bullish structure. So yeah, I kind of lost my train of thought because the laptop died on me. But anyway, so yeah, immediate movement right now, I'm seeing bearish pressure or bearish momentum. If this continued down, you could probably look for it to find support somewhere around here, which is the most nearest or the recent higher low. Okay, you could probably look for it to find some sort of support because what I'm seeing here is a lot of clean traffic. No reason for it to stop or cause any impediment of downward momentum. So overall, Chainlink is a great project, but right now I'm seeing bullish tendencies or bullish implications that it could start to find support and go continue up. But right now, immediately, I'm seeing bearish movements. So I wouldn't buy until probably we see this break or price comes down and seems to have begin to find support around here. Okay, and when it comes around this area, I probably look for a bullish engulfing candle, or I don't know, will wait because once again, right here is clean traffic as well, right? So if we break below this support here, we can still push all the way down to this level around here and then bounce up. So right now, I would sit on my hands. If you're in and you're looking for the hold this pair of this coin long term, just don't look at it. Honestly, just don't look at it. Hodl gang, you know. If you like that analysis, smash the like button and subscribe. If there any pair that you would like me to go over, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be glad to go over that for you guys. Also, in the description, I'll have my MATIC and FTM analysis in there as well. Thank you.